Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Twitch subscription or Twitch Turbo subscription. Okay, so first thing I want to tell you, you can cancel your subscription only where you have purchased your subscription. Okay, so the first in this video I'm going to provide you three methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So first method is on their official website. First of all, you need to visit on this link like twitch.tv and /subscriptions. Okay, and once you visit on this page, it will redirect you on a new window, and on the window you need to log in into your account. And once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on this setting gear icon at very top side. You can see your setting gear icon, and you need to select do not renew subscription. And once you select this option, do not renew subscription, it will pop up this kind of window, and you need to select a reason why you want to cancel your subscription, and you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription on their official website. And if you've taken your subscription by using, you can select third-party apps like mobile devices, iOS or Android, and then the process is something different. For the Android users, you need to tap on your profile icon, you need to select payment and subscription, and then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select Twitch app, and then you can cancel your subscription. And if you have taken your subscription by using iPhone, then you need to open your iPhone settings, and you need to tap on your Apple ID, you need to select subscription, then you will see Twitch app or Twitch Turbo app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so by using these three ways you can cancel your Twitch subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.